Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Paula, my channel is PJ Danita Trends, where I talk about all things trending in my life. And today I wanted to bring to you some last minute Dollar General deals. So if you're in need of stem insect killer spray, you're in luck. This week there is a buy one, get one free promotion going on at Dollar General. Now you do have to clip the digital coupon to get the promotion. So simply log into your Dollar General app, search for the stem product and clip the coupon. Even if you're not shopping at Dollar General this week, still check out the coupons.com rebate app. They also have a promotion going on the stems products. Just make sure you read the fine print because I do know Target and Meijer are excluded from the rebate this week. But if you were to search for it, this is how it looks. You'll be able to get a $7.50 rebate when you buy two. So you simply will clip and activate this promotion, and whenever you upload your receipt, you will get a $7.50 rebate to your PayPal account once it's been approved. Now let's take a look at some laundry deals this week in Dollar General. To kick things off, we're going to look at the Gain promotion. So the price is going to be $4.50. There's a $1 digital coupon, which will bring your final price down to $3.50. That's going to be on the powder, the fling, and also on the pods. Next, there is a promotion going on Persil laundry detergent, which is another popular detergent. The Persil deal this week is going to be regularly priced $5.95. However, if you clip the $1.50 digital coupon, it will bring your final cost down to $4.45. Now, in addition to the laundry promotions and the STEM promotion, if you're in need of some diapers, just head on over to the Baby Owl because Pampers has a promotion going on this week. And I think this is the best price that I've seen. I took a look at Walgreens, and this seems to be the Walgreens price. So the sales price for Pampers will be $10.50. There's a $1.50 digital coupon, which will make your final price $9. Now, totally switching gears, if you're getting ready for the 4th of July holiday and you're in need of condiments, there's also a really good promotion going on at Dollar General. So you can save $2 instantly when you spend $10 on Kraft condiments. So whether you need ketchup, mustard, mayo, barbecue sauce, Heinz 57 sauce, you may want to consider stocking up while you're in Dollar General. The last promotion that I will mention is a paper product deal. So if you're in need of Angel Soft Tissue, there's a promotion going on there as well, and that will require for you to clip a digital coupon. So the regular price is going to be $5.95. There is a $1 digital coupon that will make your final cost $4.95. So that's it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on your notification. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.